Hi, I'm Megan Scott. Welcome to 118 Wakefield Rd, Milton, a mature, family-friendly neighborhood where an incredible opportunity awaits you. Convenience is key with this L-shaped driveway that accommodates 6 to 7 parking spaces with beautiful landscaping, a metal roof, and fencing that ensures peace of mind for years to come. This charming 1,738 square foot bungalow is located in one of the most sought-after areas and has never been offered for sale before. Whether you're a family, a builder, or a renovator, this home is full of potential. Featuring 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. The home's main floor boasts hardwood floors, a large living room, a spacious dining room with a cozy wood fireplace, and an updated eat-in kitchen with plenty of storage. From here, you can step outside to the backyard, perfect for entertaining or family gatherings. Imagine relaxing in your oversized pool, complete with a large deck that also has a wheelchair-accessible ramp, a pool shed, and a she shed. With plenty of space for entertaining, this is the ideal outdoor retreat. The possibilities extend beyond the main floor. The basement offers another 1,738 square feet of endless potential for additional living space, featuring a massive family room with a bar area and a gas fireplace, a second kitchen, and a spacious office or an extra recreational room, which also includes a special hidden room. And let's not forget a multi-purpose room ready for your creative touch. Located in a tranquil neighborhood, this home is just minutes away from top-rated schools, parks, downtown Milton, shopping centers, trendy restaurants, and major transportation routes, including the Milton GO Station, Highway 401, and Highway 407. Don't miss out on this rare opportunity. Whether you're looking for your dream family home or a project with massive potential, this is a must-see. For more information on this home, please visit our website at meganscottteam.com or contact us for more details at 647-232-7743.